Are you aware of the condition of your trees? If your property has leaning trees, ones with broken branches, or if they look unhealthy, they could pose a safety hazard. You should act right away, and finding the right tree company is necessary. You must make sure the tree company you choose is insured, and is not just someone with a pickup truck and a chainsaw. Tree work can be very dangerous. Let Baytown Tree Service Experts be your tree service of choice. Our team of experienced and professionally skilled arborists guarantees an outstanding experience from the first call till the last truck leaves. We provide affordable tree care services including emergency tree service, tree removal, tree trimming, stub grinding and more. Whether you're in Baytown or other parts in the northern side of the Galveston Bay, we will come to you. Call us today at 281-612-7767. Or fill out the contact form at BaytownTreeServiceExperts.com, and we'll start right away on addressing your tree care.